What's up, agents? It's Chastin J. Miles, and in this video I am going to tell you 5 of the quickest ways that you can make money as a real estate agent. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome to my channel. On here, I like to give you real estate advice, whether you are a new agent coming into the business or you're looking to expand your business, maybe out into a team or just level up. So I give all kinds of advice and mentorship and training and all kinds of stuff here on my YouTube channel. So if that's what you're into, please click the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that way you get notified when I release new videos. In this video, however, I'm going to be telling you 5 of the quickest ways that you can make money as a real estate agent. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first way, and this is especially true if you are a brand new real estate agent, is to contact your friends and family. When you get into the business, when you become licensed, your friends and family are going to be those that you can probably get a deal or a referral from rather quickly. The reason is they already know you, they're probably going to support you, hopefully, and they want to see you succeed. So I would suggest reaching out to them, asking them if they have a real estate need or who do they know that has a real estate need. The trick with this is to make all of your friends and family raving fans of yours. They're going to be your marketing team. So when you're telling them that you're in real estate, you want them to go out there and tell other people, and you want them to ask their friends and their other family members if they have a real estate need. That way you can start to duplicate your marketing efforts and it's not just all on you. So get those people who already know you, they already like you, they already trust you, and if you can't help them out with real estate because they may not have a real estate need, make them your marketing team. Make them go out there and talk to people about real estate for you. This should be a pretty easy task and it can bring you your first deal rather quickly. The next thing that you can do to start to quickly make money in real estate is to do leases. So for me, when I started out in the business, I was 24 years old and I didn't know a lot of people who wanted to buy or to sell a house. I mean, my friends, they weren't doing that, and I got my real estate license, or I tried to get my real estate license back when I was in college, and so I was around other college people who were renting. So leases were gonna be my segue into the business. Even once I got licensed, I started out doing leases because they were just easier. People trusted me with a lease versus a sale because I just wasn't at that point, and it was able to get me some checks coming in fairly quickly. This is the whole reason why I set up the Rental Boss program, because I wanted to show people how to do that the same way that I did it and how to quickly make money doing leases. For those of you who don't know what doing leases are, it's just basically helping someone with a rental. So that's something you can do as a real estate agent. It doesn't have to be always a buy or a sale deal. You can also help people with rentals, and that's how I was able to build my database and grow my clientele through that. Number 3, and this isn't really related to doing a deal, it's more so related to how you can get some money in your pocket, and that's going to be doing odd jobs for other real estate agents. So if you belong to a brokerage, there's most likely a very busy agent or someone who's at a point in their career where they need help. So you can do odd jobs for them. This could be delivering a sign, this can be putting out open house signs, it can be assisting them at an open house, it can be doing anything like updating their database. Sometimes agents will often hire other agents to show properties for them. So if they're too busy, then they'll throw you some money to go out and show a property or to their clients. So that's something you can do, and it doesn't have to be just for one agent. So therefore you don't have to go out there and looking for an assistant job with just one specific agent. You can work with a few agents and help them with whatever they need help with in their business. And that brings me to my 4th one, doing open houses. open houses can be one of the quickest ways to build your database. Now, I realize if you're a newer agent, you may not have listings, and that's okay. You're gonna get them one day, but for the time being, you can do open houses for other agents. So hit up other agents in your office. If y'all have like a message board or a Facebook group or whatever, hit them up and volunteer to host their homes. Volunteer to sit in their listings all day Saturday, all day Sunday, and you get to collect those buyer leads that are coming in. You get to build your database. You'll get those names, phone numbers, and email addresses, and those people can be your first bit of business. It's an easy way. You don't need to go out there and get a listing. You just have to put some signs out and promote it and sit in that open house, and you get all of that walk-in traffic. So this can be one of the best ways to actually start doing deals when you don't have any. And number 5, this isn't my favorite, but you can do it and it can make you some money, and that is helping investors. So there are lots of people out there who want to invest in real estate, whether they want to wholesale, whether they want to flip properties, all of those different things. You can find properties for investors. Most times, if you bring an investor a deal, they're gonna let you be that agent and you can collect a commission on that. But the difficult part about this is actually finding the deals, because you're gonna have to go out there. You're not gonna be looking on the MLS. You're gonna be driving neighborhoods. You're gonna be probably putting out signs for people to call you saying that you can get their house sold quickly, whatever it's gonna take. You're gonna have to look for those deals, and it's gonna be extremely time consuming. But when you find a deal and you bring that to an investor, you can get cash and you can close very quickly, because most times they are going to close in like a matter of 2 weeks. So if you can find those investor deals, blast those deals out there and you're gonna get hits. It can be super easy, but again, this isn't my favorite. I don't really have time to do it, nor do I like doing it, but I've done it before and it has made me some quick money. So those are my 5 ways that you can make money quickly in real estate as a real estate agent. So if you're at that place in your career where you need to get those checks coming in, consider doing one of them. Let me know down in the comments which one you're gonna try, or if you've done any of those before and how it worked out. Again, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. I release videos like this all the time, and I would love to have you a part of my network. So until next time, I'm Chastin J. Miles, and I will talk to you soon.